nice guys. There's a guy, Ivan, who's been doing all the work. And we love him. Nice kid. Ivan and Vinny. So they're the guys who've been at the house. But like simple things, like the saddle between the existing hallway. When you walk into my kitchen.
Yeah.
I wanted a saddle in there, and I wanted it either oak or stone or something, but it had to be the same width as the frame.
Yeah.
So what wound up, and I explained this all out to Steve, and that never got translated. So there's this little strip of wood there. There used to be a saddle there, so what's there is this raw, not very nice wood with nail holes in it, because the old saddle was there. Like, this is not clean. This is ugly. This is horrible. And he's like, it's going to be nice. Ivan's saying this. It'll be nice when we stain it. It's not in his contract to stain this, to take care of the wood floors. So, it's like, okay, how much am I going to have to do to finish this kitchen? It's kind of.
But I mean, that would just be the conversation. You guys got to finish it.
Well, they're gonna put a wide saddle in it. Because I did tell them before they did that work. That's what it's supposed to be. We'll see. It's it's dealing with contracts. Of course, the hours right now would have taken Amanda through college easily.
Well,
4 years.
You're not going to spend it.
Yeah. It just went crazy.
Oh yeah.
God, I never thought I'd get to these numbers, and we're still not done. What the heck? I was hoping I'd have some left over to take care of the outside of the house. Clean that up.
Yeah.
Not so.
Here at Jamaica, New Hyde Park, at Maryland Avenue, Carl, Place, Westbury, and Hicksville. If you are changing trains, please be sure to have your tickets in your personal belongings. Watch the gap between the train is always given in the newspaper. Trash places for reception located on the big platform. Use your cell phone. Please be courteous to those around you. Take time to get up on seats. This is Jamaica Station.
Shooting video?
Jamaica. This is the train to Hicksville.
We're gonna go up to through Paul's and get Amanda for the weekend. Bring her home. I have to get her acquainted with the bus though. Because I have a bus that'll take her right to Mineola.
It's easy. What if you get acquainted with the bus this weekend?
Yeah. It's a little early. Next time.
Because Michael takes the Bolt bus from Boston. It's $20.
It's the what bus?
The Bolt.
Oh yeah.
$20 from Boston.
To Long Island? Wow.
$20 from Boston to the Penn Station. He takes a train to the Penn Station. I'm from Penn Station.
Yeah. When you think about the fuel up there and back, it's more than that. Well, certainly for Boston, I mean, seriously. But, I mean, even New Paltz, I forget what it was, 40 or 50 bucks in fuel.
New Hyde Park Station will be active. We have 10 cars, all cars will plan New Hyde Park, Carolina.
So you are obviously still in the house, so that's where you were staying. I don't know why. I was assuming that you were renting a place on Long Island.
We are, but it's just not till September. Next week.
Got it.
Yep.
So what happens? The stuff goes, heads out. Pam moves into the rental place.
No, Pam's coming. She's coming out.
So I
She's
guess
going to be staying with my parents for a week or something.
Okay, so there is.
She's just staying home for an extra week as well. First week at school or whatever.
Sure. To be there.
And she's coming to California.
And she's out.
See what happens.
Yeah. Is she excited? How does she feel about it?
Yeah. So she was super excited. Yeah. everyone seems really up for the whole California thing. More so than even me. You know, I'm doing it because I got a job for it.
Yeah.
You know, they seem genuinely interested and happy about that. My kids have no love lost regarding something like that. So they're happy. And just seems like she feels like we'll never come back.
Yeah.
I don't know if she's right, but I mean, that's how she feels.
Well, the way you describe it out there, it's like, why come back?
Well, I mean, who knows? Family, you know, who the heck knows, right?
Yeah, but still. I mean, for visits, that's one thing, but it sounds like it's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's definitely cool.
Yeah.
Family, you know, old people, you're taking care of your mom, right?
Yeah.
Stuff comes up. Gotta figure it out and see what happens.
I've thrown that out there to Naomi. It's like, you know, you need to live in this town. She doesn't want to live in Garden City.
No?
No.
Not feeling it?
She's had some episodes. I mean, you know what? Garden City women can be a little, you know what I'm talking about. And with Naomi being, there was an episode where she was trying to park and this woman took up 2 spots right on 7th Street. And Naomi asked, could you just move up a little bit so I can get in the other? And the woman was snippy and said something, you know. She was like, I don't want to deal with this. But I wouldn't want to go anywhere else on Long Island. What's the general vibe like in California? I mean, have you immersed yourself in the whole vibe of the place yet, or are you still kind of skating around the top?
I don't really hang out with anybody. I mean, I watch a lot of Netflix.
Yeah.
Cook myself dinner and stuff. I don't really hang out with anybody.
Yeah.
So I don't really know anybody. You know, work people.
Yeah.
So no, I wouldn't say I know a good sense of that.
Right. Yeah, so it's take a while. And you know, it's really kind of funny wherever you are, though. It's really the kids that get you immersed into the thing.
That's very true.
Thank you. Did you need that back as a receipt? Really? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, just thank
So how did your meetings go today? Good?
Yeah. I 17. I heard 5 people in New York since I started.
Hyde?